Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Very good. So did everyone say it? Or
Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
shall we say it again? Om Agyana, only these four.
Om Agyana Timihana
Om Agyana
Chaitanya Manobishtam Samatam Yena Bhutale
हमारी परिचित ताली में श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य श्री 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 गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण
प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री Advaitam Savadutam Bhajana Saitam Shri Krishna Chaitanya Shri Radha Krishna Radha Radha Nitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Bhajana Saitam Shri Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padam Sagana Raghunatha Nitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Bhajana Saitam Shri Krishna Chaitanya Devam.
Okay, is everyone done?
Mataji, can Advait go?
Yes, you all raise your hands and then you all go together. You all know these verses now, right? Is there anyone who doesn't know? Is there anyone new? No, right?
Someone joined yesterday.
Yeah.
Newly. Abhishek.
Who is that? Abhishek.
Abhishek.
Okay.
Wait, I thought Abhishek's not new. I've seen him join before.
He joined right now.
He joined.
He just joined.
Yeah, looks like he just joined. Hare Krishna, Abhishek. Have you joined newly?
Hare Krishna Mataji, yes.
Welcome to Govinda's group.
Thank you,
So,
Mataji.
do you know these verses, Abhishek?
Oh, 1 minute, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Yesterday, I think we all.
Okay, so you
right.
know how to pronounce and everything, right? So you will be able to say along with others.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, good. So you can raise your hand, and I will give you all chance to go one.
Okay, perfect, Mataji.
One in groups. Okay, Abhishek. Nice to have you. So
Thank you,
Vrinda,
Mataji.
Advait, Mukund, and Ramachandra. 4 of you, please go ahead.
Mataji, who was the first name?
Vrinda. Balavrinda.
Anantascha
Nam.
Go ahead, Advait.
Oh, sorry, Mataji. Vittanamayam Chasmi Yamaha Samyam Samyatam Aham.
Very
Mataji, can I say the translation?
Okay, usually what I do, those who have not said the verse, I give them a chance to read the translation.
Okay, Mataji.
That's okay, right? So that they get a chance to participate.
Mataji, do we get a chance? The people who said for this verse, do they get a chance to say the other verses too?
Yes. Everyone will get chance to say all the verses.
Okay, because sometimes there's not that much time, and then not everyone gets to go again.
But, that's why I'm giving you in groups. If 4 of you say it together, and I'm watching if you all are saying it, and then we can move on faster. Okay?
Okay. Yeah, sorry, Mataji, I was muted. I thought I was unmuted.
No problem. So, Jahnavi, Samskruti, Kavya, and Abhishek, go ahead.
Okay,
Anantastasmi naranam vano yashamaham vedranayamachasmi yamahamayamaham. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you. Krishna Naina, Rai Prahlad, Pranav. Please go ahead.
Anantastasmi naranam samyamatamaham anantastamaham vedranayamachasmi yamahasamyamatamaham.
Very good. Very good. What you all can do is try to say it in sync. Try to cooperate with each other and say it in sync. Okay, so that one is not very fast, one is not very slow. Anyone else wants to say the verse? No? Okay. Okay, Ojasvi has raised hand.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
My name is Sananda. I joined newly.
Today?
Yeah.
Oh, welcome to the group, Sananda. Where are you from?
Seattle.
Okay, nice to have you. So what we are doing? We every day we practice 3 verses of Bhagavad Gita. So we are reading this verse now. So do you know this verse already?
Yes, Mataji.
Oh, nice. Do you want to say it along with others? I think Ojasvi raised her hand. Do you want to say it with her?
Okay, sure.
Okay. Anyone else wants to say it? Tulsi Manjari. Okay. So Ojasvi, Tulsi Manjari, and Sananda. Please go ahead. Prahlad also. Okay, Prahlad, go ahead. Very good. Anyone else wants to say? No? Okay, who wants to read the translation? Those who did not say the verse. Dhruva, do you want to read the translation?
Okay, Mataji.
Go
Of
ahead.
the many hooded Nagas, I am Ananta, and among the aquatics, I am the demigod Varuna. Of departed ancestors, I am Arama, and among the dispensers of law, I am Yama, the lord of death.
Okay, thank you, Dhruva. I think Pranav, did you get a chance to say it? I just saw you. You want to say read the translation or you want to say the verse, Karthik?
Translation.
Okay, will you read the next one?
Okay.
Okay. Yes, Balaram. I think Pranav, did you also get a chance or no? I think you did not, right?
Pranav did.
You are on mute, Pranav.
Now he is.
Mataji, I got a chance.
You got a chance?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Jagannath, did you get a chance? That's Jagannath, right? Okay, Mokshit and Balaram, please go ahead. Say the verse too. Go ahead, Mokshit.
Nanam Aryamachasmi Yamas Samyamatamaham.
Okay.
Mataji,
Everyone? Yes.
in the names it says that someone is new. I am new.
Okay, who is that?
It says someone.
It says I am new Vishwa.
Okay, Vishwa, are you new?
Yeah, I am.
Haribol, we have so many new ones today.
I just like start from today.
Okay, nice to have you. Welcome to Govinda's group. So, do you know this verse, Vishwa?
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, do you want to practice it? I will say.
Why not?
Yes, Vishwa, do you want to practice it?
Yeah.
Anyone would like to volunteer to help him?
Advait, you're unmuted.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, Advait, go ahead and say it here, and he will follow you.
Okay.
That okay, Vishwa?
What?
You just you repeat it, okay? This is
Oh,
a
yeah.
new for you, right? Go
Yeah.
ahead.
So,
Anantas Chasmi.
Go ahead, Vishwa.
it's Anantas Jasmi.
Anantaschasmi. Sorry.
Anantas
Naganam.
Naganam.
Chasmi
Varuno.
Varuna.
Varuna.
Yadasamaham.
Samaham.
Pittanam.
Ritnam.
Aryama.
Chasmi.
Jasmi.
Jasmi.
Yamaha.
Yamaha.
Samyam Mantam.
Samyamatam.
Aham.
Okay.
Sanyamatam aham.
Okay.
Okay.
Hare Krishna Mataji, may I ask the new kids how did they got the information of the class? Did they got the information of the class from our main group or did anybody else share?
Hare Krishna Mataji, my name is Ritika. Vishwa is my cousin. She used to live nearby my home. She was my neighbor. So I am the one who is part of the big group. There are like 200-300 people, and in that group, one of the Mataji shared the kids information. So then I contacted Vinita Gandharivika Mataji, I think, and I got the information from her and I give it to Vishwa. So today is her first day in this class, so she was little uncomfortable joining for the first time on her own. So I also joined with her.
Okay, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji.
Yeah, Mataji. I think from the main group, so many people are getting to join. Yeah, just wanted to know that so that we will continue doing that. Thank you, Mataji.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's
Mataji, thank you.
Vinita Gandharvika Mataji only who is speaking. So yeah, I think you contacted her. Yeah, nice to have new ones today. Thank you for joining. So we will move to the next one, 10.30. And let me just lower all the hands and then please raise your hands and I'll give more kids now, okay? Chance to read. Mukund, Advait, Balram, Ramachandra, Kavya. Please go ahead.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
So because we have some new kids, let me just say this and then you all repeat, okay? Abhishek is there and who else is there? Vishwa is there, so it will help them. So please repeat. Valladashchasmi daityanam kalah kalayatamaham Pranam cha mrugendroham Vainateyascha pakshinam Tulsi Manjari Sanskruti Abhishek Ganvi, please go ahead.
Okay, Mataji.
Dastanam Kala Kalayatamaham Meganda Chamigendoham Venatescha Pakshinam.
Very good. Anyone else wants to say? Okay, Sananda is there. Anyone else? Please go ahead. Karthik, yeah, you want to say the verse, right?
Mataji Krishna.
Naina, Karthik, Sananda, go ahead.
Huh?
Go ahead. Say it. Say the
Dastanam Kala Kalayatamaham Gadam Nateyascha Pakshinam.
Very good.
Yascha Pakshinam. Thank you, Mataji.
So, anyone else? Did I miss anyone? Okay, Vishwa, do you want to read the translation?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Among the Data demons are devoted Prahlada among subduers. I am Dharmanga among beasts. I am the lion, and among the birds I am Garuda.
Yes. We'll go to 10.31. Did I miss anyone for 10.30? Everyone got a chance, right? Whoever had raised.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Wait, let me just, yeah, please raise your hands again. Ramachandra, Janavi, Balram, Mukund, Kavya, go ahead.
Pavana
Pavanamasti Rama Sahasramaha Jasana Makarashasmi Rata Samasmi Janavi
Okay, very good. Tulsi Manjari,
There
Sanskrit.
is one Janavi in the class.
Yes, Brinda. So Tulsi Manjari, Sanskriti, Abhishek, Advait, please go ahead.
Okay, Mataji.
Pavana
Pavana Pavatamasi Rama
Shastra
Very good.
Thank you, Mataji.
Okay, Brinda, did you say Brinda? Balavrinda, did you say it?
No, Mataji.
Okay, anyone else wants to say with Balavrinda? Advait.
I can go again, Mataji, if you want.
Yes, whoever wants to say now, go.
Okay, Pavana
Mataji, can I read the translation now?
We will give to someone.
What, Mataji?
We will give to someone who did not say anything so far. Okay? Okay. Rishikesh, do you want to read the
Hare
translation?
Krishna Mataji, this is kind a little late.
Who is that?
It's okay.
Moksha.
That's okay, Moksha. We were just reading the verses.
So you just did the verses?
Yes. Did you want to say the
Still
verse?
the third.
Did you want to say the verse? This one?
No, Mataji.
Okay. Did I miss anyone? No, right? So Rishikesh, please go ahead, read the translation.
Of purifiers I am the wind, of the wielders of weapons I am Rama, of fishes I am the shark, and of flowing rivers I am the Ganges.
So these three verses are from Bhagavad Gita chapter 10. And there are many of such verses where Krishna is explaining Arjuna about his opulences, how he is the best of best amongst all. He's at the best position. So he says here, I am.
Today's call is
Huh? So I'm just.
This might be shy.
shy. It's on the top.
Yeah, it's at the top. The quality is shy.
Yeah, I have not come to the quality yet. So let me explain to the new ones who have joined newly that these are verses we are practicing every day. So by practicing every day, you will be able to say it. And these are about how Krishna is explaining Arjuna how he is at the best of he's at the best position. So here he says, for example, I am Ananta of many hooded Nagas. And then here he says, I am Prahlad in the demons, Daitya demons, and I am the wind of purifiers. So these are these kind of verses we will be practicing while we are learning about the qualities of Krishna. So how many qualities are there of Krishna? There are totally 64 qualities. And these qualities,
main ones.
I know what you're
these
talking about.
qualities from first we have covered all these qualities so far. So yesterday, which one you learned? Liberal. Yes, yesterday you learned about liberal. Now today's quality is shy. How Krishna is also shy. What does it mean? Anyone wants to read this?
Mataji, can Moksha?
Yes, Moksha. Go ahead.
So which one do I read again?
The meaning of shy here.
A person who
sometimes
Sometimes exhibits
exhibits humanity,
humility,
humility, and
bashfulness.
bashfulness is called shy.
Right. Bashfulness is also kind of humility. Humbleness is called shy. So let's see about this shyness. How Krishna is also shy. Do you all know when Krishna was shy? Have you heard of any pastime when Krishna was feeling shy?
Mataji, is Srila Prabhupada related to Krishna?
Yes, he is our eternal servant of Lord Krishna.
Yeah.
So let's see what Srila Prabhupada says about shyness in his purpose. So Srila Prabhupada says shyness makes women very powerful and respectable. Also that shyness actually makes them more powerful than men. However, once that quality is broken and the control is loosened, women can create havoc in society. So here Prabhupada is saying how shyness makes women better, right? More powerful, respectable. Once it's broken, they can create havoc in the society. And then shyness is particular extra natural beauty of the fair sex. Who are those? Women. And it commands respect from the opposite sex. So people respect women, men respect women when they are shy. And it is also there in the Mahabharata. We can see, right, how ladies are all they're all watching Krishna from top of the palace, right? They don't go down and mingle with men. They're all they maintain the distance. They go in the open air where Lord Krishna and others were assembled. Instead of going down, they go in the terrace and they see Krishna from there. And then they pay their respects, and then they shower the flowers and everything. So this shyness, Prabhupada says, is a gift of nature to the women, and it enhances their beauty and prestige even if they are of a less important family or even if they are less attractive. So now this shows how important this shyness, this quality in us is. And this comes from whom? Shyness comes from whom? Everything comes from
Krishna.
Krishna. Shyness also comes from Krishna, and we will see how Krishna was feeling shy in his pastime. So we will talk a little bit about shyness. We use this shyness word very commonly, right? Especially when we feel shy, right? Kids also, you all also feel shy. When do we mostly feel shy? Like, especially when you are told to say something or to show any of your talent. Keep logging.
Oh, and like your friends are playing with someone else, and you're too shy to ask them to play with them.
That also happens. So this is commonly used word, right? And shyness is especially common in girls, right?
Even get shy with your relatives.
It's like sometimes when you're like presenting something to somebody.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can get nervous.
Yeah.
Yeah, like stage fright. That's basically
Mataji,
shyness.
there's two kinds of shy. One shy is like
When? Okay.
One of them is
Mataji, one time and I went to my friend's house. Her friends came to ask her if she could come outside to play. So I was really shy to go outside to play because I didn't even know who they were. One of them was like older than me, so like one of them was 9 years old. So I was afraid.
Yeah. So we feel shy first while talking to someone first time, or while showing off.
If we meet them first time.
Huh?
Yeah, like the first day of school, you feel a little shy.
Yes, many times, right? But
First
shyness
day of
is
school,
not
I'm
bad.
really not afraid.
But shyness is also good sometimes. Not if you're too shy, then you have to work on it. You have to, maybe you will have to, because if it is stopping you to talk, then you have to start a little bit with hello, hi, or Hare Krishna. But a correct shyness that helps you, here it's given, it helps you to become modest, polite, right? These are all good qualities, right? So you can see some people, they are not shy or they don't have that shame. So what they do, they just open up and speak anything, right? Shyness also
They don't feel shy.
has qualities. Hmm?
They just don't feel shy.
Correct, shyness is important, which takes you to modesty. This is what it is. Then, like I asked you all, do you know any pastime of Krishna when Krishna was feeling shy? Anyone knows?
I think when Mother Yashoda asked Krishna, did you eat all the butter? Krishna gets shy.
Oh,
yeah. Oh, when
That's a good
Mother
one.
Yashoda asked Krishna, did you eat
There,
the dirt?
Shy. I think that time Krishna was shy, or I don't know if he was like scared to tell the truth.
Yeah, I guess.
it was a good guess, whatever he
But
said.
if he was scared
Then-
to tell the truth, he was like shy, I guess.
Shy of
because-
the gopis? I don't know.
Yes, so here,
Mataji, one pastime is also so Krishna was like he stole the butter, but then he one of the gopis brought him to his mother, and then he turned into that gopi.
Mother Prabhavati.
Oh yeah, because Krishna was hiding
Krishna was
behind the gopi's back.
Yes, that's the story.
And then he turned into her own son.
Yeah, the whole
Mother
gopi's
Prabhavati's son,
son.
Chandra.
And then Krishna said
I'm your own son. What are you
Mother,
doing?
you can't even remember your own son. He
And
said,
then Yashoda said, cool off, I'll go get you a glass of water. So then she cooled off. But then Krishna, while Yashoda was getting the cup of water, Krishna turned into Krishna instead
No,
of...
I thought Krishna turned into Krishna
Yeah,
after he left
we now
Yashoda
come
Mata's
yes,
house.
Mataji.
what Srila Rupa Goswami has given the example. We will read that. As described in Lalita Madhava, Krishna's shyness was manifested when he lifted Govardhan hill. So we all know this pastime of Govardhan hill, right? Krishna lifted the Govardhan
Yes,
hill,
Mataji.
and all were around Krishna, right? They were all there close to Krishna and standing around him. So there were also gopis, and when Krishna glanced over them, his hand began to shake. And then what happened? All the cowherd men, they became scared. They were scared and little disturbed. And then there was a roaring sound. They all began to pray to Krishna for safety. And that time, Lord Balaram, he understood what is going on. Krishna is looking at the gopis, and that's why he's restless and his hand is shaking. And then he what happened then? Balaram smiled, and Krishna thought, okay, Balaram has got me. He understood what's going on, and that time he was feeling shy. So this is one pastime where we can see how Krishna is feeling shy. He became bashful. Bashful means he was caught. Balaram caught him. That's what he was doing, and then Krishna was feeling shy. There is another pastime.
Mataji,
Yes, sir.
about the Govardhan Leela pastime, I remember I heard this in the class. Like Krishna started shaking, and then Balaram, to like help him, he got in front of like the gopis, and Krishna could only see Balaram, and Krishna was like, oh, my brother's here, I have to do correctly.
yes. So yeah, that time Krishna felt shy. So then there is another one. This is a little long story, but it's very interesting. So when Uddhava was explaining, right, to all the Dwarkavasis how Brajavasis are feeling separation when he went to see them, because Krishna had sent Uddhava there, right? And then he was explaining how everyone is crying there, and gopis and all, they are all in the separation from Krishna. So Krishna heard that, and then he started to cry when he heard what Uddhava was telling, because he started to miss Brajavasis so much. And then he says that I'm missing them so much. You tell me, what should I do now? Please save me from this ocean of sorrows. Krishna is feeling so much of separation. Then Balram also tells him everything. How everyone in the Vrindavan is feeling separation from Krishna. Like here it's given na, cattle, animals, birds, trees, everything, creepers, gopas, cows, everyone is in the
Mataji, what's a creeper? Is it a type of flower?
No, those are
It's a
the kind of
plant.
plants. Those need support, right?
It's like
Oh.
vines.
Okay.
Yeah, I think they're
Because the first time I heard creepers, I thought it was like the creepers from a video game.
Okay.
That's Minecraft.
Separation. They were also in separation. And then Balram, while he was telling that, he also started to cry. And then seeing that everyone was crying in Dwarka, when Krishna started to cry, everyone was crying. So there was no one in Dwarka who could console them because they were all in the same state. And then Brahma came there. He came with Garuda, and seeing that what he did, he thought that because Krishna is in the bhav of prema now, and he had also seen that Leela of Krishna, right, where he had stolen the cowherd boys.
Mataji, I forgot. Why is Krishna crying?
Because he's hearing how Uddhava is talking about Brajavasis. He heard that how people in Vrindavan are feeling so much separation from Krishna because Krishna left Vrindavan and he has come to Dwarka. And then Uddhava was sent by Krishna to Vrindavan, right? And when he went there, he saw everyone is so much in separation. So Krishna heard that. And then he started to miss Vrajavasis. And that's why he's crying. Seeing that Balram is also crying. And then everyone is crying. And then Brahma comes there. Lord Brahma.
Mataji, when Krishna's in Dwarka, is Balaram also there with him?
Yes. And Mother Rohini was also there with him.
So,
and then
almost all his family, but not full family.
Yes. Not full. Yashoda was not there. Nanda Baba was not there. Radharani
Mataji.
was not there. Yes.
If Mother Rohini was there with Balaram, why couldn't Yashoda be with Krishna?
Because I think Krishna wanted her to feel that separation, so that there is so much love in the separation, right? And he had promised that I will come back. So she stays there waiting for him. And then Brahma, what he does, he gets an idea. He looks at Garuda and he says that let's take all of both of them to New Nava Vrindavan. What is Nava Vrindavan? New Vrindavan, which is built by Vishwakarma. And that is the only way they can come out of.
You say a new Vrindavan?
Nava Vrindavan in Dwarka that time. Vishwakarma had built.
I thought you said Navadvipa. I was like, what?
Nava Vrindavan. So there, there it is decorated with the statues of Nanda Baba, Yashoda Mai, Gopis, Gopas. So this is like a replica.
Mataji, I don't know
Artificial Vrindavan. And then
Mataji, I didn't even hear about that anywhere in any class.
Yeah.
Something new, right? It is there.
Oh, you guys didn't know that?
So it is there in Dwarka, and that is a replica of Nava Vrindavan. It is called Nava Vrindavan, built by Vishwakarma, that has all the replicas of Nanda Baba, Yashoda, and everything. And Garuda takes them there. And then Balram is a little bit coming out of he's getting the consciousness. He's coming out of he had fainted. He also had fainted, right? Krishna and Balram both had fainted because they were in so much ecstasy. The Garuda lifts them up and then he takes them to Nava Vrindavan.
Mataji, I forgot why they fainted.
Because they were in the separation.
Separation from Vrajavasis.
Out of ecstasy. And then Balram, he gets an idea. He understood the plan of Brahmaji, and then he makes him ready as a cowherd boy. He dresses him up as a cowherd boy because he thinks that's the only way Krishna will come back. So he dresses him up. He sees everyone there. Krishna sees his father there, his mother. Then he sees Radharani also. He's talking to her. Why are you not talking to me? He's asking her because. And he says he thinks that whatever he did in Dwarka was his dream. So he thinks that, okay, have I done any apra? Because, I saw this dream where I was married to so many princesses and I had children, grandchildren also. So then after narrating his dream to the statue of Radhika, he again, he looked around and then he went to, he saw Arabian Sea. And what he thought when he saw the sea, that is Yamuna. And then calls his friends. Come on, Shridam, Subal, let's go and go in the water. And then they all go. But yes, and then what happens when they reach the shore on which the sea waves were splashing? Krishna looked all around and his gaze fell on his grand colossal palace. He saw the palace and he was astonished. Where am I? Who am I? He's thinking now, because he's now thinking this is not Vrindavan, because he saw the palace. And then Balram, he reminds him that actually you went into ecstasy. And then when he thinks that, okay, what all he was talking to Radharani and all, he feels again shy, because Lord Balram was there and actually she was not Radharani. So this is again one more pastime. This is from Brihad Bhagavatamrita. And it's a
Mataji,
story,
Krishna embarrassed?
yeah, he felt shy because Balram was there and he was talking to Radharani, and then he felt shy about it because he was caught by Balram again.
Mataji,
Yes,
today what's the extra class?
I think it's cooking.
Yeah, I think it's cooking.
So these two pastimes I found, and which shows how Krishna was shy. And
Mataji, this is Sananda. I have a question.
yes, Sananda.
If that person whom Krishna was talking to, if she wasn't Radharani, then who was she?
It was a replica of Radharani.
It was a statue.
Yeah,
It was like a statue, kind of like.
But the person
Statue of Radharani.
Vrindavan has all the statues of everyone there. It's
No wonder it was made by Vishwakarma.
I
Yeah,
thought
Vishwakarma is
technically
a
a deity, right?
artifact from heaven.
artificial Vrindavan. And
He's
he
the
So,
he's
Mataji,
Indra's artifact. He's Indra's architect. So he builds stuff like really detailed and everything. So that's why Radharani looks like so close.
Yes. So yeah. So this is, they were not actually there. Those are all statues, and Krishna was talking to them. So he again feels shy when he thinks that I was talking all this in front of Balram, to Radharani. So these two pastimes I just wanted to explain to you, which shows how Krishna is shy. This is his one quality we covered today. So now you can join your cooking class. And thank you all for joining and listening, being so patient. And
Hare Krishna Mataji.
thank you, Mataji. Thank you,
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Don't leave.
We have a cooking
Yeah, don't
class.
leave the meeting.
Sitapriti Mataji, you are teaching it?
Yeah, it was late for me to tell about the cooking, so then
Mataji, Sitapriti Mataji, what are we making?
Mataji.
we are making a snack item which you all can make when your parents are busy, or when you feel that you are hungry and you do not want to disturb your parents. Then you can make a snack item. How many of you want to learn that?
Mataji,
Yes,
Mataji. And the question is,
Mataji, what do you need? What do you need?
Yeah, 1 second, okay.
What even is it?
What is it? Can we guess what is it?
Mataji.
I don't know, crackers?
I think it's something made out of bread.
Yes. let
Mataji,
me
so my question is,
Is it a hamburger?
Mataji,
or
is that
a
the
veggie
same
burger?
ingredients, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji.
Okay, Mataji.
Mataji.
Yes.
I don't have my ingredients ready because I didn't know what they were, so you know.
You
So
can
I
do
was-
all later.
You have bread at home?
No, Mataji.
I have
You
bread.
do not have bread at home? Okay. No, what?
Mataji,
You all can
Mataji,
see.
what are we gonna do if we don't have olives?
You know what? Then you can watch.
What do we
Then you
need,
can look at
Mataji?
it.
Mataji, what do we need?
Mataji,
Can you tell them?
Okay, what we need today is,
the chat.
okay, listen, kids. What we need today is, we'll need bread. Okay. will need bread, and then you'll need something to cut it with. Okay, you can have a little bit bigger size according to your size of your bread. You can have something to cut it with.
Mataji, can we use chapati?
Yeah.
Yes, if you have chapati, you can use a chapati also. Okay, and then what you can do is with the chapati, you can just make it as 2-layered sandwich then. Okay, or else you can also make it like a quesadilla. Just like fold it into half.
I put the chat in the chat all the ingredients, Mataji. Kids can refer in there.
Yeah, kids, you can refer to those ingredients. Okay, and then what else you are going to need is, if you want a cheese block, you can keep cheese block ready with you. Okay. Why does this participant list?
Wait, Mataji, what are the ingredients?
Backspace.
Okay, so see, first ingredients, everybody, okay, eyes and ears on me. So you have your bread slices. Then you can have a cheese block with you if you need.
Yes.
Okay, then just take a spoon, because you can choose your topping. You can choose your spread. Either you can have a peanut butter, or if you feel that you need mustard, you can use mustard. So depending upon your
Can we
taste.
just use like strawberry jam or something?
Yes. So now I have a pineapple jam over here. So if you feel that you want to use jam, you can also use jam. So just have 3 different spoons if you're using anything, so that you do not add anything into one spoon into the other bottle. Okay.
Mataji, we can mix everything, Mataji. We can mix peanut butter, jam, everything.
No. Anyone. Either you can use peanut butter, or if you feel that I do not want peanut butter, then you can use mustard. Or if you feel, no, I just want to use jam, then you can
Can
use
you
jam.
send the recipe in the chat too?
Recipe is very easy, so don't worry about the recipe.
funny if
First,
someone need like
what's going
Nutella.
on. Okay.
I'm doing it later, so I need the recipe.
Okay, I'll post it in the group. Okay. So let's. Yes, Kavya, you have something. What is that?
That is honey. Can I use it?
Yes, if you want, you can use honey.
Mataji, can I use cream cheese?
Yes, cream cheese also you can use. Over here, I do not get cream cheese, so I do not use it. Then you can have fruits of your choice. Okay, whichever fruit you have. So now I have taken banana, and then I have made some mango slices. Okay, so then you can have any fruit which you have. So currently I have, yes.
Before someone was saying backspace, and I really couldn't hear what you were saying.
Okay, so what we said is, again, we need bread slices. If you need, you can have a cheese block. Then you can have a fruit of your choice. So I have banana, and I have some mango slices which I've taken.
Backspace.
Haribol, can we just concentrate on what we are doing?
Can we
Haribol?
use dried mango from like packets?
Yes, whatever mango you have, you can
Mataji,
use
just
that.
now someone just said backspace again.
That's okay, then don't pay attention to them. Don't pay attention, because somebody might be speaking to their parents.
After we put the peanut butter on the bread, what do we do?
1 second, we haven't started yet. So what we are going to do now is, I am going to start with 1 second. What I'm going to join from the another phone also, so that I can be on video again over there. Okay, just give me 1 second.
Backspace.
Okay. Why
Who
is
wants to
someone
go
saying
backspace?
backspace?
I think backspace. Yes.
Mataji, can we
Is
use
it Moksha?
I think I know who it is.
Backspace.
Is it Moksha?
I will put you in the waiting room.
It's not me. Mataji, this is Moksha, and it's not me who's saying.
Yes, you muted.
Okay. So you know what? Now let me see if you can see it this
It
way.
really sounds annoying.
Mataji, I can't see.
Yes. Don't worry.
Mataji, is it okay to use square shape?
Is it okay to use?
Square shape.
Mataji, I don't have the ingredients. I'll do it then.
Okay, now I'm going to have it screened over here, okay, for you all.
Mataji, one question. I only have flat square cheese.
That's okay, then you can use that if you want. Okay, so see, everybody can see the ingredient. You can see the tray, the chopping
Yes,
tray.
Mataji.
Okay. So now what I'm going to do is, see, I told you that we need something to cut it with, right? So you can, depending upon your sandwich size, you can use either a broad one or a round or any one. Okay. So now this is also okay. So I am okay. Haribol. So I have two slices kept over here, and then I am going to first cut. Do you want me to mute everyone?
Yes.
Yes, Mataji.
Backspace.
Mataji, who is that saying backspace? Khushi?
I have muted Mataji. I will see.
Okay, so what you're going to do is, we are going to cut this into a round shape, okay? See, and if you keep two slices together and cut it, that's going to be more easy. So I'm going to show it like this over here. See, this we have cut it into two, and then you can.
So one question, can we also make it a different shape, like with cutters?
Yes, if you have a cookie cutter which is big enough, this shape, I'm purposely doing this shape because, you know, like outside you find such I don't know, in the frozen section they find it. So instead of getting it from there, we can make it ourselves. So I've taken the round shape. But if you prefer something else, if you have yes.
I already put the peanut butter and
Yes. Now what we'll do is, yeah, 1 second, okay, Balvinda. So what we are going to do is, we are going to open these two slices, and now, so depending upon what you want to use. So if you want to use peanut butter, we can take peanut butter. Okay, take peanut butter.
Mataji, is this all natural or is it sweet? I mean natural. Is this natural?
Depending upon you. Look, if you do not want to make it with peanut butter, use another spread. Okay, so you see, this is peanut butter, this is the slice. If you feel it is not comfortable on your hand, then what you can do is, you can take a plate. You can take a dish, you can keep it over it, and then you can spread your peanut butter over it. Okay, so I'm going to show you. See, get your peanut butter on it, and then just spread it lightly, okay? Because remember, we have cut the slice, so we do not want
to use it on. Do we do it on one slice?
Yes, we do it on one slice. Okay, so once you put your peanut butter on it, see, this is how it will look. Okay, do not let it go all over the side, just in the center is more than enough. Then what we are going to do is, now I have bananas with me. So what I'm going to do is, with the bananas, now I can use a knife, or you can just use the spreading knife. Okay,
Mataji, I only have a kid knife I'm allowed to use.
Yes, that's what I said, because let me see if I have a kid knife. I do not think so. I have a kid knife with me. So you can use whatever you are more comfortable with, and then directly put those slices on the peanut butter sandwich. See, everybody can see it, right?
Yes, Mataji.
So just go on adding it over it. Okay, so this way what will happen, during your snack time, you will not eat anything junk, and you are eating your fruits also. Okay, so
because I got the silver teeth and I'm not allowed to eat too much candy.
Yes,
I got a silver tooth too. One.
Very nice. So no,
just
it's
silver
not nice.
teeth.
It's not nice that you got a silver tooth, but then it's good that you are using fruits. So see, now second thing what I've done is
you eat so
is everybody doing it along with me?
Yes, I'm going to do it after the call.
Okay. But don't forget to post it, okay? So next is what I have, some mango slices. So, and it's mango season. So now I am going to add a mango slice onto it. Then, because I love mangoes a lot, so I'm going to add another mango slice onto it. Yes.
I
So,
don't.
okay.
Mataji, this
Yes.
I'm already sure it will be very yummy. Can I add honey?
Yes, yes, you can add honey. Let me also add honey, okay? Let me see where I have kept my honey.
Do we have to put honey?
No, not you do not have to. If at all you feel that you want to add honey, you can add honey. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, because Ramachandra told me that he wanted to add jam, right?
Yeah.
Jam, right? So what I'm going to do is I am going to open. See, this is the first time I'm opening my pineapple jam.
Do we have to use jam or can we use honey?
You can use honey, whatever you wish, whatever you like, okay? So I'm going to open my bottle of pineapple jam, okay? So what I'll do is on the second slice which I had, now if you do not have jam, do not worry, you can again add the peanut butter. But because I want a little bit more flavor, so I'm taking this jam. I just place it over it and lightly I'm going to spread it, okay? Very lightly. You do not need to be very rough over it. Just lightly spread it. If you feel this is too sweet, then just forget. Do not add that jam also. Just you can add the slice. Okay? So this is there and I am going to
My mom is at work. I can't really take mangoes, so I have to just do it with bananas.
No worries. One fruit is also okay. You can add strawberries,
Like a huge
bananas.
hamburger.
It's like a fruit burger, but without ham and others.
It's a burger without a ham and others, right? Or else you can say
The most fruitiest hamburger in the world.
The fruit burger.
And what you can do, you know, now, because I wanted to make it a nice, I think we have time, right? Yeah. Now what I'm going to do, so how many, oh Krishna, yeah. So how many of you have done, show me? Balavrinda is doing, Balavrinda has put her name as Janavi, is it?
Can you spotlight the people who are showing, please?
Yes, Sananda, I love how you are so dedicated in doing your work that you have made it with chapati. Beautiful, Sananda, and I'm so happy that you've joined our class. And our Balavrinda turned into Janavi. So beautiful. Look, it is loaded with fruits. So happy to see that. Very nice, Balavrinda. Very nice. Who else is there? Who else wants to show me something? I see Prahlad. Let me see Prahlad. Abhishek is there at the spotlight. Where is, one second, okay? Let me add Prahlad to it. Prahlad, where's Prahlad? I saw him just now.
He already is spotlighted.
He's spotlighted? Okay. Oh, Karthik. Hari bol, Karthik. Very nice. Kavya is also doing something. I'm going to add Kavya as well. And who else is there? Yes, and then you can cover over it, okay? Very nice. See, if we do not have bread, there's no problem. We can have something else. Akshita, where are you? Abhishek has also done it. Very nice, Abhishek. Now, you know what? I'm going to show you one more thing. Just let me see how much time we have. And then I will show
5
you.
minutes.
5 minutes more, huh?
Well, there's no model.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
Okay, so you know what? Now I have olives over here, okay? I have an olive over here. So what I'll do is just 2 slices. I'm going to cut 2 slices of olive.
Mataji, can we cut the olive in half and then put it
No. Don't cut it into half. Don't cut it into half because you know what I'm going to do is now.
Mataji, I just want to take an olive and put a toothpick on the
See what I'm doing is the olive. I have made 2 eyes with the olive. Okay.
2 eyes?
Yeah, 2
It'd be
eyes.
much better if you put a hole inside.
And you know what? Then I'm going to make a tongue also to it with the mango slice. I've made a tongue or maybe an open mouth for the sandwich. See?
Mataji, it kind of looks like a penguin.
Anything, whatever you wish, like
Yeah,
whatever you
that's
feel
what I
like.
was doing.
Right? See? So how does it look like? Whatever you feel. So if you put another 2 small breads over here, it might look,
Penguin.
I feel like a penguin.
yeah, it might look like a the Mickey Mouse also, right? If you put 2 small slices of bread over here, let's do that. Okay, suppose if I have a bread slice, and then if I make 2 small rounds out of it, for 2 small round, I need a
Mickey
small,
Mouse?
small,
Really?
small.
Not exactly Disney time.
So,
I don't have olives, so I made it with a banana.
very good. With the banana, you can make eyes. You can make it with peppers also, black pepper also. Okay. So, see now what I did with a small cap, I cut 2, and if I add it over here, then it might look like
Mickey Mouse
it has
penguin.
2 ears also, right? So, like this, you can make.
Penguin instead of a mouse, or Mickey Penguin, not Mickey Mouse.
Okay. So anyway, whatever you want. So next time I'm going to show you something more interesting. Let's see how many of y'all get raw mangoes, and then we can do that also. Okay. So let me just complete this part. So everybody's seen what we made. Now I'm going to spotlight each one of you.
Mataji, you're the best teacher ever.
Because you all are so wonderful, right? Sananda, I love it. I love it. And you know what, Sananda, what we do? Whatever you are making it, you can offer it to the Lord. Okay. And then also take a photo and then send it to us in the group so that we all can relish whatever you have made. Subhadra Balaram, let me see yours. Look at Abhishek with the peanut butter he's made. Wonderful, Abhishek. Subhadra and Balram and the other Subhadra also. Okay, now only it's Subhadra. She removed Balram from that. Kavya, very good. Wonderful. Ramachandra, where is yours? I know you do. You are not much into cooking.
I'm making it after class.
Okay, please send it in the group. Okay, Karthik, look at Karthik's.
This is
Very nice, Karthik. Karthik has also added a cheese slice to it, a tomato. Very good. You can make it strawberries eyes. Wonderful, wonderful. Very nice. Beautiful work. Okay, so show, like offer it to the Lord and then immediately eat it. You liked what we made?
Yes,
Something
Mataji.
different from the regular sandwich, right?
Yes,
Yeah, today I just forgot that it was cooking, and I I forgot to ask Radharani Mataji to do the cooking, and then I did not want to trouble her at the very end time. So this is what came at the very last minute. So next week again,
We did this once
Sorry?
with Radharani Mataji. We did this once with like the bread slices, like in like a circle. We added like food coloring and something.
Yeah,
And
you
put,
made
like,
the chum
coconut
chum. Chum
powder.
chum you made. You made the chum chum.
Yeah.
It looked like that in the
Okay, so
starting.
don't forget to send it into the group. Now it's 7:15, so I think we have.
You might find my picture like maybe day after tomorrow or tomorrow, because I'm going to make it when my mom is actually busy.
Actually home, is it? Okay. Never mind. For trials, you can make it now.
Mataji, can we make another one with green cheese?
Yes, you
Can we
can
use
make as many you want.
Mataji, one question.
Very nice, Balavrinda. Turned into Janavi.
Maple syrup.
Very good, Abhishek. Yes, you can have maple syrup. I love maple syrup.
I have lots of it.
Very good. Kavya is busy doing so many things. Okay, you know what? I think there should be another class which will come up. So we will have to end the call. Is that okay, everyone?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay.
Thank you. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Thank you, everyone. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Can I close the call, Mataji?
Yes, yes, Mataji. Yes. Hare Bol, Hare Krishna.